So hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today in this video I am going to talk about Nology, that's technology, and today in this video I am going to tell you that if you by mistake uninstall your display adapter, so how to reinstall it without any software and third-party app. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open your device manager. After opening device manager, you have to just click on action. First you have to click on desktop, then you have to click on action, and then add legacy hardware. You have to click on that. After clicking, you have to click next. Then you have to click on install the hardware that I manually select from a list, advanced. Then next. Then you have to click on display adapters. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to do manufacturer. Click on manufacturer. What came with manufacturer or whatever you want. You can also click on for Microsoft. So I am going for Microsoft over here, and you have to click on next, and then you have to click on next, and now it will be installed on your PC. So guys, now it has been installed and you have to just finish it, and now you can see display adapters over here. So if you do like this video, like, subscribe, share and comment on my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.